Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to clear YouTube history. Log into your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Click on YouTube history. Click on Manage History. On this page, you can find all your YouTube search and watch history. Click on the X icon next to the video you want to remove. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Delete. Select the first option if you want to clear today's YouTube history. Select the second option if you want to delete YouTube history between specific dates. Select the third option if you want to delete all the YouTube history. This is how you can clear YouTube history. Thank you for watching.